So, the Nintendo Switch 2 has finally been released. Now, release is not exactly the correct words, it's just been announced. It's actually releasing sometime here from 2025. There's no exact release date yet. It has yet to be announced. There will be a Nintendo Direct soon from Nintendo themselves at a later date. It has been announced today at January 16, 2025, right? And the first look of the console is pretty good. As you can see here, it's from the Nintendo Switch and it's bigger, right? I think it's about the same size of an OLED. It's more bounded as well. And you can see here, there's an extra USB-C port right there. All of the buttons seems like it's the same. There's also another USB-C stick input there. There's a kickstand to go along with it as well, just like the old Nintendo Switch. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.